What's up, guys? Welcome to the podcast. Nico here with Mario and Graham. And wala, lahat naman ng PLDT ngayon. I'm sure wala kayong signal sa bahay, kaya kailangan pumunta ng coffee shop. So ayun, nandito sa coffee shop
Oh, really?
while we are gonna have a discussion with the boys on the Ginebra versus Converge quarterfinals game. We're in Ginebra 1. At sa mga kabarangay natin dito, congrats sa inyo, ha? Moving on, a date with the San Miguel Beermen. So yun yung reward nyo.
Yeah.
Hey.
Painful, no? Painful.
Which one are we talking about first? Which one are we talking about first?
We're talking about the game.
We talk about Ginebra.
About Converge. Yeah,
Ay.
yeah. Key performances sa Kanatuwa to.
Hindi na ba tayo mag-SMB?
No. After na yun.
Hindi na ba tayo mag-SMB?
Di na? We'll just discuss this one. You can just some parts lang. Pero hindi na tayo mag-breakdown ng SLB Meralco.
Well, okay, sige. A short little whatever about the SMB Meralco game was, hey man, nobody's surprised.
I told you.
Natin, I think all three tayo SLB in one.
It wasn't even close, man.
Yeah,
dude. Wasn't even close. Kasi, what can you do against Junmar Fajardo and CJ Perez? Tapos nakisama pa si Don Troliano. Like, what the heck can you do, man? And Coach Leo knows how to play with these guys.
Oh.
No offense.
Tama.
Bro, hindi naman talaga marunong si Coach George paano gamitin si Junmar. like, it's so obvious that he didn't know how. Ngayon, now that SMB has Coach Leo, they're a completely different beast. And now we go to the Ginebra Converge game. Hey, for all of the people who shit on me and Graham, this is the time to skip ahead. And so this gonna be a while.
Yeah.
This is gonna be a bit of a ride.
That's right.
This one's gonna be a while now. So buckle up, because number one, I was wrong. I said Ginebra in 2, diba? I said Ginebra in 2. Graham said Ginebra in 1. Yeah. Graham said Ginebra in 1 and he was so confident. I was like, wow, paano ko confident? Well, kaya pala siya confident, man.
Yeah.
Shit wasn't close, except after the first quarter.
First half lang.
Yeah,
First half nag-lead pa ako.
First half, ganun eh. Third quarter,
Dikitan.
it was a 2-point game, and then, Ginebra pulled away. On a game, I don't want to interrupt you, Mario, but on a game na Scotty Thompson had 3 points, -4 sa box score, and you took out Converge, di ba? I mean, Mikey would have made a difference for sure. Yeah, if he was playing, but he wasn't. So, dito na natin nakikita yung kung sino talaga yung mas composed heading into the playoffs. And I said dun sa preview natin na it's going to be Barangay Ginebra kasi ano sila bumubulusok sila di ba? Towards the end of the eliminations. Okay. Tapos yung Converge was kind of okay lang. For me okay lang. And again, the cloud of Mikey Williams, Jordan heading was over them. So I was really confident with Barangay Ginebra winning the game in the first game. And bro, shout out. We were talking about Nards Pinto sa group chat. Trade Scotty Thompson. Nards Pinto is the future, man. He's the Matthew Dellavedova of TJ McConnell. That guy's a pest.
That's an incredibly low ceiling.
Kaya nga, di ba, Graham, kaya nga sinasabi natin, kahit nandyan si Mikey, wala tayong pake dyan.
Oh, no, I'm not scared of Mikey, bro.
I'm scared of Mikey Williams.
Dito Sinto, tagapagligtas.
But dude, another thing, add natin to. I talked about it last video na, is Shawnee Winston the best scorer out of everybody?
I feel like he deserves more touches. Medyo nag-rely sila ngayon kaya
he deserves more touches for sure.
Medyo nag-ano sila kay Stockton, spin-up nila. Like, get yourself out of shooting. Stockton. Ganun nangyari.
Stockton was 3 for 15, man. Stamp that touch sport, he's gone. But again, RJ Barrientos, he's learning, man. RJ Barrientos has learned how to be a calm point guard. Fuck the flash, sabi niya.
Compose. So, yes. What is best play na pwede mangyari dito?
That's right. Exactly. And what people have always been saying about RJ is he's over dribbling.
Yeah.
Nawawala na. Nawawala
Wala
na.
na. Mawawala na.
And again, Nico, no, whatever Arlov is cooking for RJ for
Keep cooking
dinner
it.
or lunch, keep on doing it, Arlov. Keep on
Go,
doing
Arlov.
it.
Kahit
Please.
kami na magbayad ng ingredients.
Yes.
Lutuin mo lang, man.
Ay, teka lang, hindi ako
Yeah.
bayad. Mas mayaman yun sa atin. Sino
Ay,
yung okay lang?
Oo nga pala.
I-endorse na natin kay Arlov. Arlov, go.
Go, please. You have our go signal to do whatever you're doing. But yeah, you talk about Shawnee Winston na siya yung best scorer. I always thought it was RJ Barrientos. The only time that RJ is in trouble is if there's someone who matchup hunts him like a Castro or ng Batak.
TNT doesn't really well.
In historically,
They do
sa TNT pa lang talaga siya di ba? Sa TNT pa lang siya nag-struggle. So, again, I'm pretty confident, even heading into the SMB series, that RJ Barrientos is going to continue what we have been seeing from him. All conference long, or if not majority part of the conference.
And Wami
I wanna
Chongson is not
ask
locking down. Wait, Wami Chongson is not locking down RJ Barrientos. Yun yung what I can
What?
guarantee.
No.
Don't worry. RJ,
Wami?
don't worry.
No,
RJ
no,
isn't
no
talking up
way.
Wami either.
Well,
Sorry, Mario.
that's
Yeah,
true.
Mario. Sorry, na-interrupt kita.
Yeah. Question.
Hmm.
What happened to Ray Suerte, bro? Ray
Ano
Suerte.
Ray Suerte.
Bro, why are we playing? No offense, again, like I said, this is my favorite line. No offense, but I don't really give a shit if you take offense. But like Ray Suerte, I will say is better than MJ Garcia. I think he's better than Kevin Racal, and I think he might even be better than King Caralipio.
Kasi
Yet
hindi naman
he
niya
played
kaposisyon
1
eh.
minute.
Sina K-Rax at sina King. Hindi naman niya kaposisyon yun.
Ang posisyon niya si K-Rax.
Huh?
SG lang si K-Rax eh.
Really? He did
Kevin
play him as a
Racal?
2 guard? I feel like Kevin Racal is a
I
3.
thought K-Rock was a 3.
Yeah. Parang
2-3,
play him
bro.
as a
So
3.
is Ray. Ray's a 2 or a 3, man.
Is it Ray a 1 or 2?
Ray's not a 1.
Parang ba Ray Suerte is 1-2?
Yeah, like, dude, I'm no offense, but again, Ray
Anyway,
is not a 1. Ray is not a 1.
he's a 2.
Yeah, well, definitely not a 1.
Undersized.
Si Suerte, but
He's a 2 or a 3. Yeah, he's a 2 or a 3 if you ask me. But then, like, anyway, what I was saying is that, dude, this guy's a scorer. Is he not? Where was he before Northport? I kind of forgot it. Sorry. Blackwater. ba siya?
Blackwater. He was Blackwater.
Blackwater yata
Magwa
siya
sa
nun.
Blackwater yun. Sila nila
Yeah.
RK. Ilagan.
He was a
Remember?
scorer on Blackwater.
Sila ni RK.
Exactly. And now, yeah. And exactly now you don't even use this guy. What are we doing? There may be something behind the scenes or whatever. Pero I think Ray Suerte deserves more minutes.
normally
Now,
pag ganyan may something behind the scenes eh.
Lagi
Na
naman.
we don't know.
Well, let's
Diba?
not forget
Why
this is
a
Coach
guy's not
Delta.
playing
But
probably.
this is Delta's team. This is Coach Delta's team. Garcia is from
Well,
Pampanga.
that's true
Connect
too.
nyo nila yung dots. I think that's it. Mario, feel ko yun yung package na
We can ask
nakalaro
the same
over.
question. We can ask the same question, diba, Graham? Why is Mava Hamnisi only playing 3 minutes, diba?
That's right. Well,
No, I'm surprised
we know
pinalaro
the
nga eh.
answer to that
Kalo nga
already.
yung DNP.
You know, but we know the
Gulat
answer
ako,
to that
pinalaro
one.
Oh, that guy hit 3 point. No, he had an N1 pala. Si Mava and Misi. But yeah, you're right. Suerte should have more minutes. Well, they have money anyway.
They got time. They got time, dude. Ito, I'll give credit. Baka sasabihin ng mga tao, hater lang ako, man. I'll give credit. Ever since we shot on Japet Aguilar, he's been playing pretty good.
He's playing like Batman, actually.
It's been like ever since we called him Batman. Ever since we called him Batman, he's been going up, man.
Yeah.
He's been playing well. Today, 19 and 13. And
Wow. 8
That's
of
pretty
15
good, ah.
shooting, di ba?
3 blocks, and he limited Justin Arana to 7 of 16 shooting.
He played
Not
so
easy
well.
to do.
Played so well.
Arana. Yeah. Justin
Wala
Arana
kang
is the
reklamo.
best post outside of Junmar, and he shot 7 for 16. Pero for me, a problem right now, if you're Hinebra, Scotty went 1 for 4 from the free throw line.
That's always been his problem.
Troy went 2
wala.
for 6 also. Do you think you can miss free throws against SMB?
No, you can't. No,
Yeah,
you
Do you
cannot.
think this is a long-term problem?
One thing
Feel
about
ko
the
this is a big
Japet
problem.
Aguilar,
Feel ko this is a big problem.
Big problem
Kayo,
yun.
sa inyo, big problem.
Big
Like,
problem
this is
yun.
yung free throw woes sila ngayon.
for me, without Brownlee, itong Hinebra outside of RJ Abarientos. I don't feel confident about anyone taking a free throw. Probably Steven Holt.
Alam mo,
Steven Holt
Greg,
is a
kanina
good,
ka pa
a
sa
good free
NBA
throw
Finals
shooter.
video natin, Brownie. NBA Finals video natin, may Brownie ka
Oh,
rin, di ba?
no. The other day, I'm just saying that
You're just saying, okay.
nasa sistema na kasi siya eh. Nasa sistema na kasi siya na Hinebra, so hindi ko na rin siya matanggal. But outside of RJ and Steven Holt, I don't feel confident about any of these guys taking free throws because LA Tenorio
Okay.
is not taking free throws anymore, di ba?
Yeah.
But one thing to go back about Japet, this is the best parang warm up mo for Junmar. You get Balti and Justin Arana. Parang ito yung warm up mo na, okay, I'm now going up against the GOAT. And by the way, he's the GOAT, Junmar. Let's not talk about that anymore.
Agree
But
tayo dun. June Mars was
you
the
had
GOAT,
five,
arguably the
you
GOAT.
had not even close for me. But you had 5 fouls, di ba, against Arana in Baltazar. Bro, you have to fix that. Hinebra cannot survive without you.
Only
Wala
had
si
two.
Wala si Joe Devance eh.
He only had two. He only had 2 fouls.
Japet?
Yeah.
Oh
He was
yeah, you're right.
five times.
I think fouls
I was
on,
looking at the plus
fouls
minus
on,
pala, sorry.
fouls on
The
din na tinitingnan
fouls on, he
mo.
was
Oo.
fouled on. Yeah.
Sorry, ngayon ko lang na-get yung sinabi ni Graham. Yes, there is no more Joe Devance. So no, who the fuck is gonna defend Junmar Fajardo? Now,
Diba?
no Joe Devance.
It's Joe Devance eh. Diba? Pag, nung si Slaughter was gone for a long time, it was Joe
Yeah,
Devance
it was
was.
Joe. May
Ito
tanong ako.
naisip ko na, put Mav Ahanlisi. He uses 5 fouls. At least may, diba? Come on, Mav.
Bro.
Grabe yung role ni Mav, no? Taga-foul naman eh.
Bro, you're doing him dirty na just Raymond Aguilar. Why are you doing that to Mav, diba?
Si Mav yung ginawa.
Oh, I have a question. I have a question for you guys.
Ano?
Ralph Koo.
Oo nga, no? Ralph
Is it-
Koo
Yeah.
did not play
Yeah.
Ralph
today.
Koo. I believe Ralph Koo deserves way more minutes.
Feeling ko sa
That guy's
SMB,
been forgotten.
sa SMB series, makakita natin tayo siguro ng 5 to 10 minutes. Tingin mo.
Yes.
Wala ko sinasabi mo, papunta na siyang SMB.
No.
No,
Remember
I'm saying
nung
that
the EJ si No, he's not. Remember the EJ K series? Ginagamit si
syempre,
Ralph
alam ni
Koo,
Mario
diba?
yan.
Foresight.
Alam ni Mario yan.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Ginagamit si Ralph Koo
Exactly.
with during the EJ K series.
Yeah.
So
I see it.
it's not far-fetched na Ralph Koo may see some minutes
I think
in that SMB series.
yung nangyari was, ever since Troy arrived, medyo Ralph's kind of been
Kaposisyon niya kasi.
Exactly.
Kaposisyon niya si Troy eh.
Yun nga.
And Troy is just better than Ralph Koo.
Yeah.
But Troy may
Tama.
see some minutes on Junmar, di ba? And then they
Oh my
devise a scheme na double,
Troy on
rotate.
Junmar.
That's what they... Because Brownlee was on Junmar. But Brownlee's a different defender.
Iba naman si
anyway.
Brownie, bro.
I'm ready to watch Ben Adamo.
We might
Sa
see that
bagay,
also.
yeah.
Nakakita
I know
ko
Adamos,
Ben
no?
Adamos. Oh.
I know Ben's gonna get there.
Anyway,
no way.
You have 6 fouls.
Yeah, 6 fouls anyway, man. Yeah. Use it. You know what I mean?
But
it doesn't help.
what's...
It doesn't help
what-
that Mo Tua and Rodney Brondial are just as good as rebounders as Junmar, man.
I was just about to say na it's that's what's scary about San Miguel, yung front line nila.
Yeah.
Di ba? It's Junmar is the GOAT, is like S tier, and then you have an A tier big na si Mo, and then Rodney is like a C tier, B tier at
Diaz
best.
playing so
big,
well,
di
no?
ba?
In this Philippine Cup.
And
Ang ganda ng laro
Oo.
in this Philippine Cup.
Eh, bata ni Coach
Tawag
Leo.
dyan Coach Leo. Coach Leo effect yan.
That's
Yan
right.
talent effect.
Yeah, basta Philippine Cup, man, magaling sila.
It's
Iba-
always SMB. Kasi nahihirapan silang kumuha ng import that will fit Junmar's
Exactly.
Junmar's play style eh. Yun yung hirap sa kanila. They had it with McCullough, they had it with Charles Rhodes.
Ano, CK was the weirdest
naman bumalik
pick.
si-
I don't know whose
ano
idea
eh.
what that was.
Yeah, they had it with Jordan Adams also.
But he got injured,
When-
diba? Right hand.
Yeah.
Oh.
He broke her hand.
Si
or
Benny
something.
Boatwright, di ba?
Benny Boatwright,
Right.
I would say. The best
Benny
fit was
Boatwright.
Benny Boatwright. Best fit was
Yeah.
Benny Boatwright. So, this has always been a problem for SMB. Your team is so good, but somehow you can't pick a fucking import. Like, what are you doing, man? It's kind of weird. But going back to the Ginebra Converge game,
Yeah. We'll do a
because-
semis preview, guys. Sorry. Napaano lang kami. Na-excite lang kami.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
Ginebra's defense right now is the one that's currently clicking. Because let's be real, they only shot 40% from the field today, right? Not the best shooting from Ginebra, but Their defense against Converge was pretty good, I would say. A lot of that comes with Japet Aguilar, and a lot of that also comes with the fact that Alex Stockton was 0 for 10. I didn't even know this. He was 0 for 10 from the 2-point line.
From
That's
the
kind of
2-point
crazy.
line, yeah.
Steven Holt was on him for the
Ah,
whole
Grabe
game.
si Steven Holt. Credits to Steven Holt.
Pucha, si RHJ nga nako-contain niya, si Stockton pa, di ba?
I mean, konti siguro on
Yeah.
RJ. Sila pa rin nag-champion.
Yeah, I mean,
I don't
you
know
know what I
about
mean.
that,
You know
pero
what I mean.
gets ko sinasabi mo.
You know what
Siguro
I
from
mean.
25 points to 21, I guess.
Di ba? That's enough, di ba? But this I was really surprised na si Stockton was nag-struggle ng ganun after how good he played in the regular season. There was an argument pa nga, di ba? Parang when we discussed the Mikey Jordan Heading trade, sabi mo, Nico, was, do you think Converge may consider having the ball in the hands of Stockton when it's winning time? And Mario
No, I
got
said
yours. No
secondary
way,
siya.
bro.
Secondary siya. Secondary. Secondary.
Yeah,
Sabi ko secondary
I
si
know.
Stockton. Pero I don't think we're gonna see
Yeah,
Mikey
no,
with
I was about to
Converge.
say na,
They got
We have to
fleeced.
stop calling it.
yeah,
We have to stop
that-
calling it
Please.
the Mikey Williams Jordan Heading trade, by the way. It was Jordan Heading for nothing trade.
Oh.
Okay. There was no Mikey Williams in that deal. Mikey
Oh no,
Williams.
I have a better term for it.
What you
It's
got?
the
Ano?
Mikey heist.
The
The Mikey Heist? I see it. Jordan Heist!
The Jordan Heist.
Di ba
Kasi
Jordan-
wala naman ako kasi Mikey rin dito eh. Sa binayaran
Jordan
pa rin.
Heist.
Sabagay,
The Jordan
It was
Heist.
just about
Yeah.
money heist, diba? Money heist, Mikey heist.
Ah,
it
ngayon ko lang
rhymes,
na-get
diba?
yung I like it.
Ah,
Sorry, ngayon ko lang na-get. Ngayon ko lang na-get.
okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
But again, ito before we close this whole thing out, not to be hard on Ginebra, but I will kind of be because I am a fan.
Hmm.
I don't think you survive a series against SMB with Scotty Thompson having 3 points. You do not.
Hindi na
survive.
mauulit, bro. Hindi na mauulit.
I don't think.
Oh,
I hope it
sana.
doesn't. Right?
I hope it does. Siguro hindi,
Like,
di
I
ba?
don't think it does. Yeah, kasi the
The
reality is, CJ Perez, if he sees RJ Barrientos against him,
Okay,
good night.
kaya
I
yan.
mean, gagawin.
Kain yan.
Good night, dude.
The thing about Scotty low scoring games is normally mararamdaman mo siya on the other parts
On
of
the
the game.
other- yeah.
Dito medyo hindi. Like, okay, 3.6 rebounds, 7 rebounds, diba? 3 assists.
Yeah.
But hindi na mauulit to, bro. Scotty is a different animal against San Miguel.
I know that,
He
yeah,
just
you're not
knows
wrong.
he just knows how to play against these guys, and I cannot figure for the life of me how he does it. But I'm confident na hindi na yan mauulit. What I'm worried about is really Japet Aguilar. You cannot commit those tiki-tak illegal picks or yung mga
Pag na-frustrate
patapik-tapik
pa
na
si Japs.
nanunulak ka pa.
Pag
You cannot
na-frustrate
do
si
that
Japs.
against Junior. Japet, we need you. We need you.
Di ba, Graham, yung pinakaayaw nating foul ni Japet, yung after niya magmintis ng layup, bigla siyang
Yes,
sasampal.
Hihila-hilahin
manunulak
niya.
siya.
Yung manunulak ko,
Yes,
hihilahin niya.
that's the
Woo!
Ah,
I think,
actually, pwede mo i-trademark sa kanya, di ba si Angel Reese, trademark niya yung rebounds. Si Japet, dapat trademark niya na rin yung
Kahit
ganun,
yung
really, feel ko hindi
frustration foul.
naman. Ako hindi naman. Feel ko hindi naman.
Pag sumablay.
Ay, sa frustration fouls.
Yeah, it is.
We gotta
You're
think
not
of a way.
You're not a
Tapos
never
lumabas
fan,
na
Nico, so you
frustration
don't know the pain. You don't know the pain of seeing
I don't know
Japet
the
Aguilar
pain,
pushing
ah,
someone
Nico, I
after a
don't know.
missed layup.
I don't know that.
Man, when you see it happen, you're just like,
What?
why? Why, dude? like,
That's right.
mapapakamot ka talaga ng ulo, man. You just don't get it.
Imagine
What?
si Coach Tim mismo, pag siya. May ganun siyang itsura, di ba? Si Coach Tim.
Yeah.
For me, pasalamat dapat si Japs na si Coach Tim yung head coach yan. Kung si Coach Yeng yan, putik.
I was about to say,
Oo,
naku,
patay
si
ka kay
Coach
Coach
Yeng yan, whatever he said to Jerby Cruz and to Poy Era,
Nasira yung career niya.
for sure.
Si Poy Era, walang confidence na sa index. Eh.
Malakas ka ng katawan.
Jerby, tanga ka eh.
Malakas ka ng katawan.
Oh, Jerby, tanga ka eh. I mean, di ba?
Jerby,
I'm a bald man, so you can just imagine. Man, Japet, please. Your head should be in the game. I think the semi start on Wednesday, no?
Yeah, next
Kasi
Wednesday. I believe.
Tomorrow
May
we'll
pahinga
have
naman kayo.
the
May
two
pahinga naman
games.
kayo.
Mhm.
Oy, record
So
tayo bukas.
if,
Sana manalo index.
I think this one
May record
yeah,
bukas.
do we give the Do we give the prediction, Mario, tonight?
For,
Because
for
I'm ready.
GSMB or
I'm ready.
for NLEX?
For Gin SMB. Yeah, for
For
Gin SMB.
GSMB? Oh, sige.
I'm ready.
I'm
I'm
Ako
ready.
ready
SMB and
to
7 ako. SMB and 7
I'm
ako.
ready to spew.
SMB and 7 ako.
Oh, mali yung opinion mo, Nico. Yun yung...
Ano na?
Mali ka.
Mali ako.
Mali ka, Nico. Mali. Oh, mali
Eh,
ka.
ikaw.
Mali ka.
Ikaw ano ka? SMB and 5?
Di man. Gin in 6. I got
O ikaw,
Gin in
Grip.
Wow. Ako pending any divine intervention, and when I say divine, you know what I mean.
Sino?
I'm going with you know what I mean. I'm going with Gins in 7, man.
In
Gins in
7.
7.
Okay. Si Mario yung
Yes,
delusional
as early
ngayong
as
gabi.
now.
Jeans in 6.
Jeans
Anyway,
in
let's
6
see.
yan,
Gins
dude.
in 7.
Hey,
Gins in
Hey,
7.
first of all, you guys all called me delusional when I said Indiana in 7.
No,
I
was Indiana in 7
to
with
my
you.
knowledge,
I
man.
was Indiana in 7 with you. I was the same.
To my knowledge.
Yeah, I was calling.
Yeah, you're with me.
I was with
I'm
you.
just
We
saying.
were both Indiana in 7.
To my knowledge, there's a game 7 coming up between the Thunder and the Pacers.
Eh, tinaman, naka-poly jersey na
That's
nga
right.
yan. No?
Yeah.
Ayun,
Gins
no?
in 7, bro. Well, still, bro, I'm a man of my word. Take it to the
By
bank.
the way,
Gins in 7.
by the way, somebody commented. My favorite thing in the world. Somebody said, now we need to see Mario in an NLEX jersey. Una ko sasabihin dyan, I didn't even know they produce NLEX jerseys.
Ako rin, di
I
ko rin
didn't know
alam
they
kung
produce
meron.
NLEX
Di ko rin
jerseys.
alam. Di ko rin alam na meron.
So, but if they do, sige, I'll say it like this. If NLEX beats Ross tomorrow,
Oh.
if NLEX beats Ross tomorrow,
Kukuha na kita.
I'll wear an NLEX.
Huwag mo
I'll wear
to
the
buy.
NLEX
I can
jersey.
get from someone. Gusto mo Enoch jersey.
Yeah.
Bigyan na Enoch Valdez jersey.
Basta Enoch Valdez. Either Enoch Valdez or ano
Or do you want? Hingi ako. Semerad na lang.
Michael Miranda.
Tony
Ayaw mo na
Semerad.
Semerad? Tony Semerad na lang.
Lalayo pa
Hingi ako
kayo
kay
eh.
Tony.
Bakit
Hingi ako
di
kay
na lang,
Tony.
bakit di na lang kayo humingi kay Manong?
Oo,
Di
tama
na lang kayo
naman.
humingi kay Manong.
Ano?
Tama.
Hingi ako kay Manong. Habang
Yes,
nandito pa rin sa
NLEX
Pilipinas.
jersey.
Hingi tayo kay Manong. Kahit
Kaso di
practice
kasha
jersey
siya.
niya. I think he
Di
wears a
kasha.
large, bro.
Yeah, diba?
He's still a 6-footer.
Parang,
So, you can still
Okay,
wear it.
parang duster.
If
Ano?
you- Okay, Nico, you've seen me in person. Do I fit the large? Come on now.
No, you don't.
Do I fit the
Double
large?
XL dapat.
I don't think I do. I don't think I do.
Pwede naman yung gugupitin mo yung likod.
Uy, wag mo, walang gupit-gupit dito. Hindi pwede. Kay Manong yan. Binigyan pa.
Oo, well, kay Manong nga pala yun. No. Pag kay Manong, then we, di natin
Hihingi ko na lang yung
gugupitin. But
NLEX jersey ni Koy Eram kung meron pa kami sa bodega.
Ayun, man. Basta yun, whoever commented that thing, man, yung NLEX, if wear an NLEX jersey. I'll do it if NLEX beats Ross
Yeah,
tomorrow.
please. Oh, please.
Alright.
Ano bro, join the agony. Tanga, kati-kati na nito.
Kati-kati. Wala ka pang pantal? Wala ka pang pantal?
No, parang ano, nagpapaltos sa loob. Yung init eh. Alam mo yung demonyo pag pumasok sa simbahan, yun yung umuusok. That's how I feel. It's
Alright.
crazy. I can't wait
Let's
for the
wrap it up.
conference to be over.
Let's wrap it up.
Let's wrap it up, okay.
Raising the
I'll
title.
wrap it
Meron pa tayo bukas.
I'm
Meron pa
not
tayo
wearing
bukas.
this anymore.
Meron pa tayo bukas.
I'll wrap it up like this, man. Tomorrow, I think Ross wins. Just because for the vibes, I'm gonna say I think Ross wins tomorrow, and I think TNT wins. Not gonna lie. This is how I see it. Like,
Hater ka pa rin.
I'm just honest, dude. If Magnolia didn't win game 1, they're not gonna win game 2.
Ako, sige, I'll just ride with my NLEX boys para may bonus ako. Tapos, TNT. I like TNT. Oh shit, I don't want TNT. Kasi kapag nakalaban namin TNT, that's easy TNT in 5. At most. So sana tomorrow Magnolia.
Kahit mo naman, binigyan mo sarili mo ng isang game against TNT.
I'm with you. I'm with
Gusto
you,
ko na-
Nick. I'll wrap it up with this. The Ginebra NLEX final series 3 weeks from now will feed generations.
We'll feed
Let's
families.
get it, boys. Let's do
Magkakasarili
it,
tayong
boys.
Reddit section natin. Tayong tatlo.
Ginebra NLEX final. Yes, Ginebra NLEX finals. Okay, that's how I'll
Families.
close this one out.
And that will be NLEX in 7. So follow, 5-star rating on Spotify. Like, comment on
Crazy.
YouTube. This is 6 Man Podcast. Nico here with Mario and Graham. See you all next time, guys. Which is tomorrow. See you for the next.
Adios, amigos.